Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Khublei pi baro ginigilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Commentary katnat Social Welfare Jonga Jilla Dr. M. Prinding do kalaong baga jingpelong ki policy haga jilla kamdei tangga kamram jongki officer po Secretariat ndai kadai ban mi ben na gajingelang ba jingpen pau jingmut jongki paidbah. Kalapan pau yakane ha gajingelang ha Chief Minister Youth Center All Saint Cathedral Shillong ha baga khot ban KM yaki samla bar ki paidbah ban shimbenta ha gajing yatai bar jing ai jingmun halor ki benta ki bakta yaka imlang salang kum ka kot ka khya ka puli puthi bar karoi ka par ngimla ashu ban shongkhop tang ha office ha Secretariat ban thau ki policy henrei kadai ban wan bed na ki paidbah ki batip ya gajing e ka baki shem haman na kishnong ki dong bat ki yo kalaong commentary kalaban rabru baling bagani karukom onla ban pelong ki policy ki baskem bar ki batri kamten rai na markin long ki bla ai jingmut ki paidbah hi kanikat kum ka jingpran jongka kan kentiu ya ka transparency ka accountability bar ka jingyo jingmentoi jong baro ki paidbah ka jilla
agendas as well. I'm happy to know that you are also encouraging free fair talk between young people, old people, to discuss the issues of drugs, to discuss the issues of teenage pregnancy. Nokmas and Rangbashnongs are also there to hear what people feel the problem is. This problems before solution is very, very important for all of us. I'm happy that all of these youth centers across the state now are able to create ambassadors for 22 different centers. Now that's important because that's the only way even we in the health department will actually get to know what are the issues. I hope that henceforth you will discuss, even HIV AIDS, which is again a big problem for all of us. And if communities begin to understand and break down information which is actually very technical, I think that is a starting point, and we look forward to working with you and your entire team. We would like to see what are the issues of awareness that is not reaching to people. COVID taught us valuable lessons, but then we should never ever have to go through those stages again in our lives. I'm very happy that these young children, as I watched all your videos, I can see that children now understand the world around them very much, and I think if you want to transform thought processes, you must start young, and I'm happy you're targeting these children. What I love very much about your project is these little libraries and the values of reading, which again is very important. We saw some of the kids engrossed totally in your library area. I'm happy that you're bringing kids from other schools to mingle, to exchange ideas. This is very, very important. And CM sir, we are very, very happy to see, sir, that you are actually leading from the front to ensure that every citizen in this state actually participates in that entire process of policy generation. Gone are the days where policies are decided in the Secretariat. Honorable CM has already greatly shown the way, and he emphasizes on the quality and the importance of individual problems that need to also have a very big focus. I'm happy, sir, CM, that you're also now converging the empower here. I think this is very important, and I'm happy that Karthik and your team, you're here. Meghalaya needs to know how to go ahead with some of the serious issues. I wish you should also talk about spacing of children in families, because this is something again which is generated by the people. I think we can no longer look at a policy which is going to enforce a law, because that is something which is of the past. And I look forward to hearing what our Honorable CM will now say. I'm very grateful to see two very
Hello Meghalaya turns 1! 1 year ago, a small idea sparked a dream which materialized in the form of a screen, an OTT platform to tell stories from the heart of Meghalaya to the world. With over 3.8 lakh downloads and over 1.1 crore views. From indie creators to first-time filmmakers, Hello Meghalaya gave voices a home, a stage and a spotlight. And you, the viewers, made it all possible. 1 year down, 1,000 stories to go. Here's to more laughter, more culture, more Meghalaya.
We love Hello Meghalaya!